Hi everybody, welcome to Japanese Cooking Lovers. This is Yuri. Today I will show you how to make kanpyo, and what kanpyo is dried gourd. So this is going to be very short, quick video, but before I will show you how to prepare dried gourd, I will explain what it is. It is a vegetable, and it's a family of cucumber, and its size depends, but small watermelon, 6 to 7 kilos, which is 34 to 40 pounds. And color is white and almost no taste. So that is great for cooking with other food because it doesn't overcome or killing other ingredients taste, and also absorbing dashi or the other juice from other ingredients. So it's very good with cook with, and also like a ribbon like, so you can tie it and it's edible, so it's very good to use for cuisine. And Japanese has been using for a couple hundred years, and using for shojin ryori, it's like Japanese monk's food, vegan food, it's good, lots of other things, but the most popular famous thing is actually sushi. And it's a hosomaki, it's a skinny roll, nori outside. And I guarantee if you go to Japanese sushi restaurant in Japan, they always have it. So if you have a chance to go to Japan, you may want to try it. And how to prepare, how to make dried gourd is those like small size of watermelon, take the skin off and put in the machine, and machine make the gourd roll. So when they put the knife rolling gourd, the knife shred and make strip shelving the gourd. That's why it's long, skinny thread like ribbon. Now I will show you how to prepare dried gourd. I hope you enjoyed my video today and learned how to prepare gourd. And I didn't show you how to cook gourd or how to use gourd for Japanese cuisine, but for the future I will make use gourd and cook gourd. And if you like my video, please thumbs up and please subscribe my YouTube video so I will make more. And also I am making every week for the new recipes. And this is Japanese Cooking Lovers, and I am Yuri. Thanks for watching and see you next time.